Hello everyone, welcome to Chirag Technology Tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn how to change your Gmail ID without losing data. This is the Google official update 2026. We'll go through the step-by-step process for that. Google has officially introduced a new feature that allows the eligible users to change their Google account email ID, that is a Gmail ID, without creating the new Google account. Your photos, emails, contacts, and Google Drive files, calendar events, YouTube data, and other Google services remain associated with the same account. One of the biggest advantage of that your previous email address is automatically saved as an alternative email and allowing you to continue signing your in and receive email to the your old Gmail address in your inbox. This feature is especially useful for the student, professionals, and job seekers, freelancers, and business owners and content creators who wants to more professional Gmail address without losing their Google account data. So this the my account is there and Google support. You can go with this. So step by step process will go. So open your Google account. So open this myaccount.google.com. This is the URL. Let me open this. So I'm already logged in. So that's why this is showing the Chirag Singh and Chirag at gmail.com. Next, here sign into your existing Gmail account. So if your Gmail account is not logged in, then you will get a page like this. So go to your account. So here, if you click go to your account, it will ask you to for the login. So you can go with the your email address and click on next, and you have to provide the password and click on next. Okay, password is changed. So click on next, and it will ask you the pop-up on your mobile. So if you click yes, then you will be logged in. Okay. So this is the process to log in. So after login, you will find this page. Then we'll go to the personal info. So here, click on the personal info. Then open the email section. Go there. Open the email section, and here your Google account. So click there. Your account name. Again, you have to log in. Now there is an option to change Google account email. Okay. So if you click this and last, they're asking you to the username at gmail.com. If that is available, then it will show you. So we'll go through the steps. So Google will check whether the username is available or not, review all the information carefully, and confirm the change. Sign in again if promoted using your updated Gmail address. So here I'm going to give one name like Chirag Mahto official. Just let me check. So next, automatically it will take at gmail.com. So Chirag Mahto official, then you can click the change account. So current account is in Chirag and in new is the Chirag Mahto official. So if you click yes, so it will change this one. So what happened after just changing your Gmail ID? So your Google account remains the same. Google Photo, Gmail, Drive, Docs, Sheet, Meet, Calendar, and YouTube data stay unchanged. Your previous Gmail address is saved as the alternative email. Email sent to your old email address will be still arrive on your Gmail box. If you can continue signing into using the alternate Gmail address. Some Google and third-party services will automatically start using these new email addresses. In some cases, certain services may be temporarily continue using your previous email address. Advantage of this, no need to create a new Google account, keep all your Google data, professional new Gmail username, old Gmail still receive emails, alternative Gmail reminds link, easy migration without losing files, and ideal for work, business, education, and branding. But there is a cons are also there. Limitations are there. So available only for the eligible Google accounts. Desired username may already be taken. Some third-party apps may require updating your email manually. Your previous email may continue appearing in the certain Google services for the some time. After switching back to a alternate email address, you cannot create another a new Gmail address for the 12 months. So once you have created, so after that we have to wait for the 12 months. So important notes is that changing your Google account email does not delete your data, photo, Gmail, message, contact, drive files, calendar, event, and YouTube history remains same. Your old Gmail address become alternate email. Email sent to your previous email address will also continue arrive in your inbox. Some Google apps may briefly experience minor issue until they sync with your new email address. Gmail username can only contain A to Z numbers and period dot. If you never want your previous email to appear anywhere, Google recommends creating a completely new Google account. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and comment and subscribe this. And stay tuned for the latest Google update, AI tools, free certification, internship, job, technology news, and tutorial. So disclaimer is that this video is created for the educational and informational purpose only under the Fair Use Section 107 Copyright Act 1976. All trademarks and logos belong to their respective owners. No copyright violation intended. For copyright concern, you can send me mail on the chiragmahto@gmail.com, and you can follow me on YouTube, LinkedIn, Facebook, WhatsApp channel, and Telegram channel is there. Follow the process exactly shown in the video. Do you have any questions? Then drop them into the comment box. Don't forget to like, share, and comment and subscribe to Chirag Mahto Official. So hope this will help. Thank you for watching.